check that the Microsoft
Yeah.
is on. Microsoft
Microphone, yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Great.
Okay.
So, for this partnership
Yes.
that it is, what motivated you to choose the Humphrey trim and stabilization systems for your boats?
Okay. Well, we've followed the Humphrey history quite a while,
Yeah.
but we're very committed to the quality we produce. So we innovate with the big hull, and everything about this boat and the performance and the attraction to our clients is fuel efficiency and performance and client ease of use. So the Humphrey Interceptors, especially now with your automatic trim feature, was something we was very keen to explore more.
And how do you envision our partnership enhancing the performance and reputation of your
Well,
vessels and the new products as well?
as a company, we will only promote quality. So the first and foremost is what are your products like, how reliable are they, but more important is what is the after sales support like, because all our clients come to Goodchild Marine for not just the quality but the long life support of our vessels, and that's why we enjoy so many repeat orders. So we see the partnership with Humphrey as moving forward with a quality product which enhances our products.
And yeah, it's a lot of similar questions, but I'm gonna go through them. And
Yeah,
see
by all means.
we get
I'll
out
try and
of
think
it.
of different answers.
Yeah, no, that's good. So, just one thing. Could you maybe remove the?
The badge?
Yeah, is it okay?
No, yeah, because it
Just
is.
so we don't.
Is that all right if I do that? Out of the way?
Yes. Nice. Thank you. And how do you see that this partnership will influence your market competitiveness and customer satisfaction?
Okay, well, the key thing with our boats is performance and fuel efficiencies. But equally, it's crew comfort, because every boat we build goes to a commercial operator who employs the people to drive them. So crew comfort, ease of use, safety on board is paramount. So any product, anything we can add to our boats that improves that efficiency, makes the ride more seakeeping, because these do work in extreme conditions. They continue to work in extreme conditions, and we see the Humphrey quality and the product as actually contributing to our product as well. So we see the partnership moving forward in a very positive way.
And one extra question, because I love your answer. How do you work with your customers? As you said, like it's the crew that needs to have the best products and the best boats and everything. How do you work with them in after sales and in aftermarket?
Okay, well, the first thing we identify with any client who's making an inquiry is, first of all, what do they need the boat for? It's no good us offering a product or a boat for a role that it's not really designed to do. So the first thing we have to do is engage with that client, have a really good understanding of what they want the boat to achieve, how they want to achieve it, and what their operational parameters are. We then look at what products we have, which size of boat, whether indeed the Orca is the right boat for them or not. We're very upfront and honest. If our product won't fit their brief, we will be honest with them and say, this is not for you. But usually we have a product we can adapt, and it's based on the quality, again, of the after sales. It's no good selling a boat, however cheap or expensive, if that client can't have continued support. And also another key point with a commercial operator is the staff who look after the boats move around and they migrate or change companies. So it's important that we build those relationships up, not only just with those responsible at the time, but we have a foundation where new people coming in, new managers coming in who are responsible for the maintenance can engage with us as a company. So it's a hard achievement to achieve, but we manage it.
And what are the key performance improvements you expect for
Okay, the key benefits of the Humphree interceptors over trim tabs for us is that it's less crew or operator evident, because you've got the automatic trim, and at the moment we teach all the crew, and we won't sell a boat without crew training, because the Orc is a wave piston design. It needs crew training. They need to understand how the hull form works, and part of that is what we preach at the moment, which is a flying term really, power, attitude, trim. So every time they change a power, they look at the attitude and they trim for it. One big advantage we see with the Humphree system is that we've done away with the power, attitude, trim requirements. So now we're going to focus on programming the systems when we install them. When we commission the vessel, we would like to set them up so that we know the boat's operating at absolute performance levels, and then the training will focus on how they come alongside a ship, how they part company with the ship, when they need to turn the automatic features off. Because there are times when they don't want this beak to be as efficient and they have to lift the nose up a bit. At that point they will then go manual. So there's still an element of training, but it's a lot less onerous, because basically when they're underway they just press auto and off they go.
And about the functions, because with the Humphree systems comes different functions packages, and that's part of the, as you said, like different clients want different things. So how do you anticipate our function packages that they will enhance the overall value of your vessels?
We see it as an opportunity for increasing our business and our sales, not just for us but for Humphree as well. We're going to offer the standard automatic features anyway, but the turn coordination and the enhanced gyro features, we will make them very aware that's there, and hopefully most discerning operators will engage with wanting to upgrade. Maybe not even at the build stage, but once they've had the boat, they've experienced it, they enjoy the way it works, we can then see there's an opportunity to upsell later on. So I think there's a good opportunity. Anything we can do to improve the ease of use for the crew is a bonus for their operators. Staff are the key to any business.
And based on the customers you have today, how do you see the different function packages meeting the different needs for different customers?
As I said earlier, we have a repeat order. We're very privileged to have that. So now we're moving forward with the interceptor as the only option. We're now looking to introduce that on any new builds they take on board. And then I think we have the opportunity to enhance their experience of how the boats perform. And hopefully we can see some fuel efficiencies for them to benefit, because we do know that it's down to the crew remembering the power, attitude, trim and operating the boat efficiently. Some crews are very efficient and good at it, some are less experienced at it or a bit lazy, so they just put it one setting and leave it. So I think the operator would get serious benefits in fuel returns, and that means pounds, shillings and pence to most operators, but also they can tick the green box for the environment, which everybody is focusing on now. So I think we have lots of potential to really push some of the advanced features the system offers.
Just a question that came up in my head. Your customers today, because I know you said you have the privilege to have orders intake. Can you tell us more about how your operation works? And I know from yesterday that you said you already have orders for 2 years, 3 years.
Yes. Yeah.
So please tell us more about that.
I think our success is listening to the customer, observing what their needs are. It's a changing world. Either politically we're being told we've got to embrace certain technologies, or we've got to change working practices because of health and safety. And it's up to us as a company to really be foraging around to look at what is down the line. It's no good waiting for legislation to come in. We need to be aware of it before it comes in, and what can we do? Will it impact on our products and services, and what can we do to embrace on that? And in that situation, we will then be able to sort of tailor what we offer. We must never sit back on our laurels. That's a bad mistake for any business. And I believe our success is not only just in the quality, but looking at what the customer wants now and in the future. And safety is paramount. It's a dangerous environment. They're out in very, very extreme conditions. We focus very much on safety, crew safety and pilot safety. So anything we can do to make our boats more safe, more reliable is a bonus. But as legislation comes in, we need to be ready to adapt ahead of the game.
And just for our ongoing collaboration, because this is just the start, as I see it, what future projects or developments are you most excited about as part of our ongoing collaboration now and further on?
We've got a few exciting projects in line. We've got orders now for the next 3 years, and we're introducing the Humphree on all of those. We're actively looking to introduce some patrol vessel functions, because that's becoming more and more of a requirement, especially with border force and immigration coming as a bit of a focus at the moment. We're aware of that in the future, so we're looking at products to actually fulfill some of the border force active roles. So again, we just see it's an extension of our product range and an extension for Humphree.
Thank you so much.
All right.